It's Mr. McCormick here. Let's see if we can get a basic slider going. It's called basic_slider.com. I picked this one because it's quite a nice, clean slider. It's also responsive. So you know what to do. You could have a look at it. You could download it here. And there's some pretty good instructions just how it works. And down at the bottom here, there's all the options that you can add to the slider. So I've already downloaded it. And there it is. I'm going to unzip it. And there it is. So this is the folder it created. And if we go into that folder, you'll see we have index.html. Let's have a look at that. Index.html. So that's the demo. Looks good. We've got, looks like 2 demos and some instructions. We'll clean that out later. So let's go back here. Let's see what's in images. 3 nicely named files. Let's have a look. Yep. So let's see what size those are. We hit Command I. And these are 620 by 310. 620 by 310. So I already have back here a picture of the sleeping giant. I'll move that into here. And I'll drop it into here. And I'm going to call that banner04.jpg. We'll keep that nice naming convention. It makes programming easy. And I think that's a huge file. So let's open it with preview. Very large indeed. We're going to resize that. So let's do the adjust size. And we'll set the width first at 620. We know that, and we'll fix the height later. There it is, and we'll just draw 620 by 310. It's a little tricky. 620. Good. And now we can crop it. And then Command S will save that. We'll go back to our and let's open the index in Aptana. Remember I was showing you guys Aptana? And here it is. It's a nice demo. Has some coding in it. There's 2 things there. If you don't like that color, you can just click here and go to Dreamweaver if you like that look. All right, let's add our image here. So we can do this quite quickly. We can copy. We'll paste that. And it's banner04. That's our sleeping giant picture. And we'll give it a more meaningful caption. Sleeping giant. That's good. And well, let's see how that looks. We'll save it. Command S. And here it is. 2, 3, 4. Sleeping giant with a caption. And we want to lose those instructions and those instructions on the second slider just to keep it simple. So to do that, this is our fade example that we just did. We need that JavaScript to go with it. We don't need the H2 slide example. That was the second one. And we don't need its controls either. And it says here, I've never seen this before, but this is what's writing out some of the instructions. And I think we got an extra one of those. Maybe I didn't. So if we're lucky, we've cleaned out enough stuff. We have the images, the required jQuery. We'll save it and see if this works. Yeah, that works, and there's no instructions or anything else. Anyways, that's the slider. Hope you can get that working with your own images, and do play around with some of the parameters from the instructions.